Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and today we have 2.5 awesome new Humble Bundles of interest to game developers. And what game engine are we talking about today? Well, pretty much every game engine or every modeling tool. There's just a broad number of things covered here, as I'll explain in just a second. So the first bundle we've got here is a training bundle. This is from Skillademia, who honestly I don't really have any previous experience with, but I do check out their courses. This is why I took a little bit to get back to you on this one. I wanted to see what the stuff looked like before I recommended it or looked at it or whatever. And what you're seeing here, this is actually a really well-structured Humble Bundle price-wise. And something people often complain about is because, like, okay, I might be into Godot, but I'm not into Unity. Or I might be into Unreal, but I'm not into Godot or whatever. Well, the way they've set this one up is at the entry-level tier, which is also the first time I've ever seen a thing at that price point. So for like $2, you can get the Blender and the Blender Unreal Engine. So if you just care about Unreal Engine or just care about Blender, hey, that could be a good tier for you. Go to the median tier, and you're getting the 2 Godot courses in there. And I gotta tell you, these courses are huge and comprehensive. I will show you that in just a second. So if you're just interested in Unity, you're covered at that tier for like $13 US, or you go the full fat and you get a bunch more in-depth Blender stuff. So how long are we talking about here? Look at this: 42 hours, 75 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours, 24 hours. So we're going to show you this 2D one, this 24 hours, and you get an idea that 24 hours is not exaggerated in the slightest. We'll get back to that one in just a second, because the other bundle we're talking about today is this one. This is also a very unique bundle from Humble. I don't think I've seen anything quite like this one, because it's a lot of building blocks for creating games. It doesn't really matter what you are using. Like if you are using 3D Studios Max, Maya, Unreal, Unity, Godot, they've got you covered here, because you're getting things in like FBX and OBJ format or raw textures, etc. And what you're actually getting here is hard surfaces. So these are for if you're doing sculpting or modeling. You can use these as like Lego pieces to build it. So if you needed to create, for example, a space station, and space station is going to be built up of like flat walls, and then you're going to think like crates and armor pieces and connections and joints and hover, and then you've got these hatches, etc. that you can use. You can kind of kit bash all these things together to create some really cool environments there. Hooks and buckles, and then if you're creating robots, you got robot heads here. You got hands and feet that you can work with. Going down here, you got surfaces. So if you're doing alpha drawing on textures, we got Substance Designer and ZBrush, but also the raw format. So you could also use them in Blender as well. So you got alphas available there for doing surface detail in sculpting. Again, panels, pipes and so on, some Substance Smart materials. The only thing in this I kind of find a little is these reference materials, but there's not a ton of them there. So if you needed source references for your modeling, that's basically what this is as well. And then a ton more hard surface pieces. So I'll show you how these look in just a second. You could use them to make a giant library of building blocks to create your stuff with. And it's not going to look asset flippy, because again, you're still going to be customizing everything you've got here. Then on top of that, you've got things like these skin brushes. You're going to notice these are specifically for ZBrush in this case, but you're also getting the alpha and height images, so you could use them in Substance Painter or Blender or whatever. This is a really versatile bundle in terms of what it enables you to do, and you're getting a ton in here, including, again, you're working with robots, you've got robot setup and so on. Now, there is one thing that's really stupid about this bundle, and I will explain that when we show you the redemption, but I want you to notice before I move on, like here, Volume 10, and then it says hands and feet. Very important. I'll get back to that in just a second. But first, let's talk a little bit more about this other bundle. This is on Skillademia. So again, very straightforward. Blender, Godot, Unity, Unreal, and then pixel art, but it's structured in such a way that really, if you're just interested in Godot, you can pick it up. Just interested in the Unity side, you can pick it up for a reasonable price. I'd like that. I would love to see Humble structure their bundles going like this going forward. So this is the Skillademia website. I have zero experience with their courses in the past. I went through a couple of the lessons from here to give you an idea of what I thought of these particular courses, and to be honest, I'm pretty impressed. What I mentioned earlier on, so this one is flagged as being something like 20 hours, this 2D course, and what does 20 hours mean? What are you getting there? Well, first off, the Skillademia website, it's fine. But you notice here, this course has 115 lessons in it. What are you learning here? From the basics, things like installing and so on, first steps, GD script programming, then we got loading screen, the main screen, player input, message console, message bus, player avatar, map entities. You think, oh, that's pretty comprehensive. That's page 1 of 4 of 4. So then you're getting in here, so creating a town map, shop interface, player stats and inventory, creating mini games inside of your game for like casinos, mail, creating a bank, temples and healing, foods and world map encounters. So it's everything you need to create a game. Like it's very comprehensive in this. 2D walks you through a number of things like player data, saving and loading, things that aren't actually that easy to find coverage of sometimes. And in terms of like how does this work, loading and saving, for example, here, this is an example lesson. So this one again is about 15 minutes in length, and this is organized over 4 parts. It does track where you are. It also has an updated version of the project as you go, so you can download it and check out exactly where you are. That part is definitely nice. The coverage,
we are in the home stretch now.
it's clearly verbalized. The screen is very easy to read, and so on. So that aspect is quite solid there. No complaints. And then if we head on back, so that is one of the courses. That is the 2D courses. There are some much larger ones. So some of these bundle ones are like, again, 75 plus hours. Well, let's take a look now at the pixel art. What are you learning here? Well, you're learning, the basics, lines and shapes, drawing, and so on. And then you're covering Procreate, Ace, Sprite, and Piskel in terms of programs being used. And then you've got courses on drawing, including like drawing a knight, drawing a wizard, drawing a soldier, etc. Animations, walk cycles, attacks, jumping, and so on. Creating portraits, doing backgrounds, doing fighting game styles, like idle animation, special attacks, getting hit animations, and so on. Platform gaming, and then doing isometric style drawings, top-down drawings, RPG view drawings or side drawings, game icons, and so on. So they're very comprehensive, these courses. I'm very impressed by the extent of each one's content. Now, how good are they? I only went through the Godot one, and I found it good. I'm not the target audience, though, so it's really hard for me to judge how good something is at teaching me stuff I already know. But they are so comprehensive that they're pretty easy to recommend in that regard. So back to this one here, the 3D artist tools. This one, how does this work when you download them? Well, they come in from Gumroad. So everything is redeemed on Gumroad. Each one you get a key. So here you can see I got all 3 tiers. So I got 3 different redemption keys. And then here you can see tier 3, I have all of the assets from there. Well, now what is annoying? So look at this. Kitbash Volume 8. Well, what is Volume 8? Well, I have to come down here and find Volume 8. So Volume 8 in this case is hooks and buckles. Why does that not have that in the file name over here? So it makes it so you have to cross-reference them. All they need to do is rename the file names up on Gumroad to include the contents in the description. Just add volume.8.hooks and cables, and then presto, perfect. That omission is insane. Hopefully the author is hearing this and makes that change. Otherwise, make sure you keep a reference to what's included in this bundle. Don't worry, I will have a linked article with all of the content in it, so that will stay past when this bundle ends, but having to do that cross-reference is kind of silly in my opinion. But you download these. These are straightforward zip files. I'll show you this one, for example. It came down like this. So this is Hard Surface Volume 15. You get a library. So here you can see all of the various different contents of it. So just renders of them so you get an idea what you're dealing with. This is for hulls and armor. So if you're kit bashing spaceships or space stations or something, you need these various different pieces. That's what you're getting. And then you're getting them in both single parts. So here you see a number of FBX files, like so, all of them individually, or OBJ files, or you get the collection version. So I'm going to use the FBX version here. Let's fire up Blender and sacrifice the default cube because, of course, we will. Let's grab the FBX and drop it in like so. So you get an idea of what these ultimately look like. So let me just orbit the camera around a little bit. So this is your hull and armor pieces, like so. Let's just get rid of the frame because it doesn't really add much. Switch over to a shader view, and let's toss the wireframe back on top. There we go. Let's drop that down and unselect it. There you go. So there's all the pieces you're getting here. And you get an idea. So these are clean topologies. They're good for sculpting as a base. And again, you could use hard surface modeling, booleaning, and so on, and create compound shapes out of these. And again, you're getting these for body parts, space station pieces, cables, hatches, so on, crates. And then you basically just use these as the building blocks for creating your own sculpting bases or for modeling more or less out of just bringing them together like Lego bricks. So that is very handy. And then on top of that, you're getting things like alpha channels for doing sculpting and so on. A very neat and unique bundle in that regard. I did mention and a half. So let's head on back over and find what the half was, and that is this. I already covered it in the past, but if you are looking for more Godot stuff, there is also the Learn Godot Complete Course Bundle. This is from Zenva, but it is a ton of topics, specifically about Godot, and I believe it's like Godot 4.4 or above. This has been running for a little while, which is why I'm calling this a half, but there's still 11 days left in this bundle. So if you want to pick this one up, it is an option as well. But today, the two bundles specifically we talked about here are the Ultimate Game Development Software Bundle. This is a collection of courses: Blender, Godot, Unity, Unreal, and pixel art, but all structured in a way that you can actually buy the bundles for just what you're interested in. That is awesome. I really hope that they take that approach going forward with these kind of bundles. That is a very good approach to taking it. And then, of course, we have the Artist Tools Assets and Brushes Mega Bundle. Again, my only feedback on this one is they should add this part to the file names on Gumroad so you know what the hell you're downloading. By the way, you buy any of these bundles using my link down below. It does help support the channel, and I appreciate it very much. But I'm curious, what do you think? Have you got experience with JRO Tools assets in the past? Very useful in my opinion. And then the other one we've got here is the courses from Skillademia, not a company I have experience with. Again, I do really appreciate the comprehensiveness of each one of these courses, but I have not used their stuff. So if you've got an opinion on Skillademia stuff, do let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. Or if you pick this bundle up and you run through a course, let me know your opinion of it. It'll definitely help other people that are watching this. All right, that's it. I'll talk to you all later. Goodbye.